In this video, I'll show you how to use the Widgets feature in Windows 11. Click the Widgets icon on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a customizable feed of things like news, weather, and your calendar. Click on any of these to expand fully. To add a widget, click the Widgets icon. Click Add Widgets. Click your preferred topic. Click the X in the top right to close the window. Your new widget has been added. To remove a widget, click the More Options icon in the top right of the widget. Click Remove Widget.